This is the Firecracker set that I have been working on. These are doilies. Everything you see comes with the whole set. 4 cup holders, and then you have the candle crocheted holders, as well as the candle cup holders and the 2 candles. And this set comes with red or white candles. And it also comes with the lights. And this set is for the 4th of July. This set's called the Firecracker set. And I'll turn the lights on so you can see that. So this is the set. This is what it looks like with the lights on. And this is what it looks like with the lights off. This is a complete set. It also comes with the potpourri and the clear bowl. With the lights heated up against the potpourri, it's supposed to send off a smell. So if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank all of my subscribers and everybody who has commented. Thank you all. Hope you have a wonderful day.